I want to share something personal today, something that shaped my entire journey as an entrepreneur, as the hopepreneur. I'm the hopepreneur. I didn't start online business because it was trendy or because I wanted to get rich, although I won't say no to that. I started because I needed a way to support my family. I had two very young kiddos at the time, and I needed something meaningful and to create a life that aligned with my values and my purpose. Along the way, I realized something really important and pretty powerful. Most women don't need another complicated system. You don't. You need simplicity. You need affordability. You need tools that actually work. You need a community that cares, and you need a platform that doesn't change the rules every 6 months. That's why I chose HBA. I've been through a lot over the years, emotionally, spiritually, financially. I've walked through depression. I've walked through seasons of confusion. I've walked through moments where I didn't know what direction to take. I didn't know where to turn. But God kept nudging me forward towards my purpose. And in that process, He nudged me towards helping other women going through the same things that I'm going through or similar things, towards creating, towards building a business your own, towards shaping and sharing hope. We all need hope. So when I started building online, I tried everything, complicated systems, expensive platforms, like really expensive platforms, tools that required coding. I worked in a technical platform for quite a while around developers and coders, but all I know is HTML. I don't know all that coding stuff. So I couldn't do it. Funnels that broke, that just quit, websites that crashed, horrible support, no support at all, companies that changed their compensation plans, companies that began delivering horrible products. Like I was in this one company for a food product. I won't say which one, but they started delivering moldy food. I was doing really well in that company too. I had a lot of people in my downline. I was making tons of sales, but when they started doing that, I couldn't support it. I couldn't promote it. So I needed something stable, something simple, something affordable, something to help other women with. And that's when I found HBA. HBA isn't flashy. It's not complicated though either, and it's not overwhelming. It's something that's simple, it's clean, it's very powerful, and the best part, it's affordable. It's easy to use and it's affordable. It's everything that I was looking for in one system. It's built by people who really, really care, who's been through it, they've been through it. So HBA, you can do everything. You need one platform to do everything. It's a funnel builder. It's a website builder. It's a blog builder, membership site builder, course. If you want to do your own trainings, if you want to create your own courses, it's really easy on this platform. We have a huge community of wonderful people. We have a weekly, how's that working? Mastermind. We have daily masterminds, premium, and it's a place to grow. It's a place to belong, and it's a place to build your brand. Like I built the Hopepreneur brand here. It fits my life, it fits my values, and it fits my calling. You can hear my little doggy scramble down the stairs. So one of the biggest reasons I chose HBA is because of their pricing never changes. Most companies, they change their pricing yearly, if not maybe a couple years or so, and they're really expensive. Their basic can be like $97 a month. Their premium close to $300, if not over a month. And HBA never changes our pricing. It's the same as when we first began. And we've added features, tools, trainings, value upon value with the same pricing. So let's go over the payments for the product that we offer and the payouts. Every product within the HBA platform, it has 80% commission. If you make a sale, you're getting 80% back. That's unheard of. That's unheard of, and it's not changing. So on the funnel builder, well, let's start with the lowest first. We have a goal setter. It's $10 a month, and you can track your daily, monthly, yearly goals, your favorite quotes, recipes. It's got motivation. It's everything you need to keep your days going strong. I use this daily, and it pays $8. For every sale, you're getting $8 back on the $10 a month product. Now the funnel builder, that's $25 a month. That's not $79 a month. It's not $300 a month. It's $25 a month. 80% commission, one sale, and you're getting $20. You're only paying $5 a month for it after that. 2 sales, you're in the money, honey. You're in the money. The premium package, that's $125 a month, 80% commissions. You're getting $100 for every sale on this. And that includes the autoresponder, the traffic maestro, where you're getting Facebook content, you're getting email post generation, all images. You can create your video on it. I'm creating the video on the traffic maestro right now. You have the automated Facebook inviter without spammy messages. It's amazing. I love this. I love it. The Financial Literacy Academy is $9.97 one time. And it's got so many amazing trainings in there. I cannot even believe I'm like not even halfway through it yet. And it pays 80%. You get almost $800 back for a one-time payment. So every sale you make, you get like almost $800. It's simple. It's fair. It's more than fair. It's so generous. The compensation is so generous. 80%. Who does that? And it's stable. And it's besides the FLA, which is the Financial Literacy Academy, the others are recurring income. It's recurring income every month. It's stable. Once a person's in this, it's so easy to use and it's so affordable, people don't leave. So if you're ready to build something meaningful, if you're ready to create an income from home that's recurring, that's stable, and if you're ready to step in your God-given purpose, HBA is a platform that won't let you down. I recommend it because it's what I use. And before I close, I want to mention something that's very dear to my heart. My health drink is why I have the energy to actually do this now. A better focus. I'm losing weight. I feel so good. My joints aren't hurting. I mean, I feel good. This is no medical statement here. I'm not a doctor or anything. Disclaimer. I'm just talking about how I am feeling, and I'm feeling amazing. I'm like what I used to feel like in the beginning of my 40s, and I'm 60 now. My 40s and 50s, I went through some major health problems, lots of issues, and I feel good now. It's amazing. And then something else, I have gone through depression for most of my life. And the Lord's walked me through this. And He had me this year write a devotional. My very first devotional is called 14 Days to Overcome Depression with Jesus. And He's given me prayers to put in it, reflective questions, and love notes from Him. As I was praying about this, He gave me love notes from Him to put in this for you. So if you go through depression, or if you know somebody who does, this may be very, very helpful. I have it on Kindle right now. I'll be putting it on my HBA platform very shortly. So you can get all of my links in the description below. So be sure and check that out. And if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel. It's a little teeny baby channel still. So if you would help me, I'd so appreciate it, and share this video out to who you think it may help. So thank you. Let's build your journey, because your journey matters, your purpose matters, and your future matters. So until the next video, have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.